Setting the upper and lower limits on the Somfy battery motor. After pairing the motor to the remote and the roll direction is correct, you will need to set the upper limit first. Hold up for continuous travel or tap up for incremental travel. Hold the My button and down simultaneously on the remote until the blind starts to travel down. Upper limit is now set. Hold down for continuous travel or tap down for incremental travel. Hold the My and Up button simultaneously on the remote until the blind starts to travel up. Hold the My button until you get a response. Press the Program button on the back of the remote and you'll get a response. Both limits are now set.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.